We're going to look at multiplying and dividing integers. The nice thing about multiplying and dividing integers is that their rules are the same. We're going to go ahead and split it up though and do multiplying first and then division, but just remember that the rules are the exact same. So if you take a look at the screen, you can see here what the rules are. You're going to be multiplying the numbers just like normal, as if there was no positive or negative sign with them. But then at the end, you're going to know what sign comes with that answer based on these rules. If you're multiplying a positive number by a positive number, your answer is positive. If you're multiplying a negative times a negative, your answer is positive. Positive times negative is negative, and negative times positive is negative. Another way to look at that is, if your signs are the same, like they are here, your answer is positive. If your signs are different, like they are here, your answer is negative. Alright, so let's try some. So let's just multiply these normal numbers just like normal, and then we'll deal with the signs afterwards. So on this very first one, we're going to do 5 times 9, which everybody should know is 45. And then we're going to look at the signs, and I have a negative times a positive. My signs are different, therefore my answer is negative. Let's go ahead and move down. Let's do negative 7 times negative 12. Well, 7 times 12 is 84. Since it's a negative times a negative, that means our signs are the same. Our answer stays positive. 16 times 5, that's 80. I've got a positive times a negative, so my signs are different, therefore my answer is negative. And lastly, I've got 17 times 4. Well, 17 times 4 is 68. And again, I've got a positive times a negative, so my signs are different, therefore my answer is negative. So just like before with multiplying, and as we stated at the very beginning, the rules are the same for multiplying and dividing. So on here, just like before, if you're multiplying a positive and positive or negative and negative, if they're the same, your answer is positive. If you're multiplying a positive and a negative, your answers are different, then your answer would be negative. So let's try a few of these. So again, I'm going to just worry about doing the division first, and then I'll worry about the sign afterwards. So 28 divided by 8. Well, 128 divided by 8 is 16. Since I've got a negative divided by a negative, my signs are the same. My answer is positive. Let's go ahead and move down. 72 divided by negative 6. Well, 72 divided by 6 is 12. Since my signs are different, my answer is going to be negative. Let's move to the top. I've got negative 45 divided by 3. Well, 45 divided by 3 is 15. And again, I've got a negative and a positive, so my signs are different. My answer is negative. And lastly, 136 divided by 8. Well, 136 divided by 8 is 17. I've got a negative divided by a negative, so my answer remains positive. I hope this helped with multiplying and dividing integers. The rules are very simple. Just make sure you remember same, positive, different is negative. Good luck.